आई हैव बीन आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन मल्टीपल टाइम्स, सर कौन सा करियर होना चाहिए, कौन सा जॉब होना है, और आई विल लुक एट लेटर, आई विल स्विच माई करियर, आई विल जस्ट डू जॉब फॉर 2-3 years and then will decide. So please understand, there is a concept. I will tell you a story, and professors here have told me this story that once a man was thirsty and somebody told him, if you dig the earth you will get the water. Okay, and he started digging, and earlier digging is easier if you know that, and as you go deep the digging becomes tough. So he was getting tired and he did not find water. He got little after 5 feet, and then he said, maybe I'm wrong, maybe I should dig somewhere else, and he sat somewhere. Then somebody else came, oh, you're looking for water, people get water from there. He started digging someplace else. Then again, initial digging asan, because it's one new thing, he was having hopes that this will work. The same thing happened. करते करते ऐसे 5 गड्ढे उसने खोद दिए. And somebody was observing, he said कि देखिए, you have shifted 5 places and you have not got the water yet. If you would have just committed yourself to one place, one hole or one digging place, you would have got, if not 25 feet, at least 20 feet, and your chances of water would have increased. Why I am saying this? Because we try to shift the career every second. आज हम डेटा एनालिस्ट में हैं, कल हम जाके मार्केटिंग करेंगे, एंड द थ्रिल ऑफ newness gives you that you get it. But if you want to excel, you have to commit to one thing. So please don't just try to change the career for the thrill of changing the career और बाद में सोचेंगे. You need to plan and then commit to it, and only if it is very 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 wrong, like in the case of that, if you are digging 20-30 feet and you understand यहाँ पे तो पत्थर ही पत्थर है 20-25 feet के बाद, then only you shift. Don't really shift and quit at the very earliest. So that's a problem which most of the people have. So please dig deeper, have commitment to one place, and then stick to a career. You need to think multiple things about it, and for that there is a book called Right First Job by T. Muralidharan. You can read that, understand the criteria, get your family in between. Multiple things are there, which city you want to work, what sort of work you want to do, how much you want to earn, and those sort of etc, blah blah blah, lots of concepts. But start thinking over that. That's very important. Ultimately it's not easy to change things. You can't just keep on digging holes. Like that can happen in degrees. अंडरग्रेड के बाद किसी और चीज़ में बीटेक एमबीए कर लिया, फिर एक और एमबीए कर लिया या मास्टर्स कर लिया. सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, आई एम टेकिंग इट वेरी सीरियसली. आई एम मेकिंग वीडियो बिकॉज दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन आई आस्क्ड मल्टीपल टाइम्स एंड आई कांट गो थ्रू सेम फीलिंग ऑफ again and again. Okay, thank you.